How to change time zone in Outlook Wave. First of all, open your Outlook account in any web browser. You can simply search outlook.live.com or simply outlook.com. Then make sure to sign into your Outlook account. Once you reach on the section, you need to click on the gear or settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you tap on the settings page will appear where on the search bar you can click on it and search time zone. On this drop down box, you need to click on time zones. Now, the time zone has already been appeared to your screen. So with the help of this small arrow icon, you can click on it and you can select any time zone that you want to change according to the place that you reside or you wish to. So make sure that changing time zone, or let me inform you that changing time zone in Outlook Wave won't affect the time zone of other applications. So you can select any one of your choice and save it. So that's how we can easily change time zone in Outlook Wave. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.